Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we have an Otterbox Defender Pro here for the iPhone 12 or 12 Pro. Everybody's always wondering about the Otterbox cases and how they look and feel on the new phones. So I picked one up from Best Buy and I'm going to check it out and let you know what I think. First things first is these cases will not work with MagSafe. This case is way too thick. If you saw my spec video, the magnet barely fit through there or reach through there, I guess. The phone still would charge, but it wasn't strong enough to the point where you could pick the phone up with the MagSafe still on. It fell off. So unless you have a MagSafe, actually a MagSafe certified case, then I don't recommend trying. I mean, you can try it, but it's not going to be the experience you are hoping for with MagSafe. So if you want to use MagSafe, make sure you buy MagSafe accessories to work with each other. I like this case. The Otterboxes always feel nice with the squared sides. So this case is actually pretty thin, but still, the double layer protection and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and put it on my iPhone 12 Pro here, which I currently have the Apple silicone case on. And like I said, one of the hard things for me is the MagSafe stuff. I want to use the MagSafe accessories. I've got a MagSafe case. I've got a MagSafe charger. And I ordered the MagSafe wallet, which should be here in about a month. Those are shipping pretty late. But, is what it is. I'll swap around cases depending on what accessories I want to use and stuff like that. But it is nice to have that MagSafe stuff. I can't wait to see what accessories come out. I know there's going to be a lot of car mounts and tabletop chargers, like nightstand chargers and stuff like that. I know Belkin's got a few things coming out. So that will be pretty cool to see. A little bit of dust on the phone there, so it goes right in. I love the feel of this phone outside of a case, but I haven't brought myself to actually use it out of a case yet. Probably will sometime soon, though. I do have Apple Care Plus on it, so not a huge deal. Like most Otterboxes nowadays, these do not come with a screen protector on them. They are just right on the screen, so there's no plastic there, which I do prefer. I think that's better. It has a better feel to it. You get to touch the actual glass. There's no plastic layer between it or anything like that. Go ahead and get it on there. Yeah, so like I said, MagSafe is not going to stick through that. It may still charge the phone. I don't know if that's going to affect speed or not. I haven't done any test on that. But that's what the phone looks like right there inside the case. You've got your regular openings on the bottom, typical Otterbox stuff right there. A flap for the mute toggle right there, volume buttons, power button, everything like that. Nice camera cutout. And then of course you have your Otterbox belt clip here. So it's a belt clip. You can do that, cover up the screen, or you can flip it around and flip this around and use it as a stand as well. Little trick there if you guys didn't know that. That acts as a stand, but nothing special. So typical Otterbox stuff, very nice on the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, and this does retail for $59.99 at most stores. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.